Hello guys, this is Scary Gamer here, and something really exciting just came in the mail from I'm an Angry Bird. Something really exciting just came into the post. Some of my friends at school would know what this is, but I barely know anything about it. But I'm just going to act like I don't know anything about it, because I haven't seen it yet, so I basically don't know anything about it. So, it's in here. I'm going to block out where I live. So, it's in here. Yep, it's in right here. So, I'm gonna do this, well, it's not live, but I'm going to open this up and see what's inside. Let's go. So, I've finally decided how I'm going to open this. I'm not going to open it from there, I'm going to open it from there. No, I'm not going to open it from there. There. So, let's go. Right, I'm going to... What's this on? Okay, I've done it. Right, I've just... I opened it. Oh, I opened it. Look, package is in there. You can get it on camera. Package is there. Right, ready? Ready? 3. Yo. No, I did the wrong countdown. 3, 2, 1. Yo! Yo! Bam! This is a hand spinner. This is a hand spinner. Yo! Yo! Yam! Flam! Yam! Hello, yam! Right. Here is a hand spinner. I don't know any design of it or whatever. It's just awesome hand spinner. So I'm gonna see what it can do and what it looks like. So got the box right here. Now I'm gonna open it up. So right, ready? It's my first time seeing it, and I can't see it. You guys can. Yo! I can see it now. Oh gosh, look at that box. You can just completely see. Okay, bruh. Let's go. Let's go. Right. So here is my hand spinner. Or my fidget spinner. I like calling it fidget spinners. This is blue camo, fam. Look at this sick design though. Yo! This is sick. See if I can do tricks with it. Right. Stop. Oh, it's super balanced. It's really balanced. Oh, kind of. Gonna put my hood down for this one. Yo! This is sick! It does make some noise, listen. I don't know if you can hear it, I'll put it near the speaker. It does make quite a lot of noise. So, I think it was a short video. It's 3 minutes. Oh my god, unboxing a freaking fidget spinner. 3 minutes. Okay, this is quite a short video. It was only unboxing my brand new fidget spinner. Oh, it looks sick though. So, this was a short video of me unboxing my fidget spinner. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you do, smash like. Let's smash the like button. Let's see if we can hit 5 likes for this new fidget spinner. And if you like my content, subscribe and also press the bell button and go on literally like I don't know, but it says something about send me a notification or videos about this channel or something. It's like a bell next to the subscribe button, and you press on it and it says show me your videos for this channel or notify me about it, and it shall come up. So, and then press save, and then all the videos I upload you will automatically be notified. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just unboxing a new fidget spinner. And yeah, if you like my content, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. This is all your gamers out there, keep gaming, and peace.